Great. So now that you've got a start, you know the basics, you've done some things. I want you to go down and take a look at these tutorials. They go through a lot of the extra functionality that are in these things, and they'll get you going thinking like a programmer, thinking like a creator. And so as you are going through these, what you're going to want to do is you just pick one that you like. Let's say you are super interested in just having some electronic dice. This is the one that I've been going through, the blocks tutorial. And you'll start with a blank page. And up here at the top, it'll tell you what to be doing. You can go to the next page as you need to. Eventually, you'll get to the end and you'll have your project done. So doing these tutorials is a great way to help yourself learn how to use these extra inputs to get some of the extra stuff out of the way, because you can see they're hiding some of the things you don't need here, and it'll teach you how to use some of the functionality in these blocks that you can move around. So have fun.